In railway construction, high-quality elastic pads can effectively absorb and disperse the impact force generated by train operation to ensure the stability and safety of the tracks. The imitation products made with recycled rubber look similar to the regular elastic pads made with EPDM rubber in appearance, but there is a huge gap in quality when doing cutting and stretching experiments with the regular EPDM elastic pads. It is obvious that they have high resilience, small deformation, and high tensile elongation. It is difficult to cut them even with a wallpaper knife. However, recycled rubber can be easily torn apart with just a gentle pull. The price difference between the imitation products made with recycled rubber and the regular EPDM elastic pads is very large, with the imitation products being about 1/4 of the price of the regular EPDM elastic pads. In the railway track structure, the elastic pad is one of the key materials for the limit groove device, and its quality directly affects the stability of high-speed train operation. If the elastic underlay used does not perform up to the design specifications, it will certainly pose a safety hazard. At water seal valve quality is the sole thread that runs through everything, and the materials we use for our valve seats include EPDM, heat-resistant EPDM, nitrile rubber, fluorine rubber. We use a comprehensive and rigorous quality control system to build a solid foundation for the quality of every valve seat and make a solid commitment.